bring her home. I don't want to talk about it. I'll be fine. I'll be fine.
What did I really do? Because you went for the party yesterday and you were sleeping.
I'm not going to lie. If he goes, I've already told him this thing would affect me more than it would affect, like if it was the other way around. But I don't think you're going, and I would like you to have, as much as you can, a positive attitude. The whole week I have to deal with these weird jokes. I'm literally like, okay, even if you have to make them for your own venting, please don't do them where I am. I don't like to feel pain. I don't open up. You will not find me in any amorous situation. You've known me for years. You've never seen me move with any nigga to be like, this is who I'm. You've never seen it. This is on fucking national TV. And I don't know why it happened this way. I'm still grateful for what I've learned about doing things a healthy way, but right now I don't know what to do. And I'm just in a place like, yo, I don't like this shit. Nobody's gonna make me feel like this ever. I don't like, if you survive, great, I'm happy for you, but I can't, you can't be at this proximity for me.
Big brother Naija.